Hello, this is Sterling Fleet Outfitters, and we wanted to show you our double drop-down ladder rack that we mount on our CB01s and our CB03s. These make it very easy to load and unload, helps you get more done, more billable hours in a day. So this is a configuration we've shown for 2 extension ladders. We've just put one on for demo purposes, and we'll show you how that works. Just unlock the capsule with the factory key fob. We store the lever right here on the passenger side wall of the capsule. We'll take that out and we'll show you how it works. Very simple, very effective, very secure. So this just slides in. You'll see a little pin there. Locks into place. Rotate it, hardly any effort at all, and that will come down the whatever side the ladder's on. Once we get to this point, a simple matter of single-handedly lifting the ladder down, putting it on the ground, and taking it off there. One note, just a tip, is don't have too much extending. You'll get used to counting the rungs on where you should hook it. Put it back up. Goes back up. As it lands, you'll see a latch securing it right there on the left hand side, locking it ready for the highway. That helps you load your ladders in less than 30 seconds, so you can get home and spend time with your family or whatever your get more done is. Thank you very much.